guys! Today I'm going to walk you through the FMS or FillMySchedule tab in the Navigator. I'm going to talk about what the charts mean, the percentages, numbers, so you feel confident using that part of ServiceMonster 6. So let's get started. We actually don't have to go very far in ServiceMonster 6 to find valuable FillMySchedule information. We've included this FillMySchedule deck on the home page for your convenience. I'm not going to go into the details of what these things mean quite yet, because we'll see most of them again where I'm taking you next. Follow me to the FMS tab in the Navigator. Inside, you'll be greeted by the KPI, or Key Performance Indicator chart, which encapsulates your business's FMS performance over the last 3 years. This includes the present year. Notice mine says 2016, 17, and 2018. Easy differentiation is made possible by the different colors. The chart provides month-to-month values for the given year. Before I get into much else, let's talk about these: the KPI, inferred, and tracked. Let's talk about inferred. If you're signed up for FillMySchedule with ServiceMonster, anytime you book a new job around the time FMS sent out mail for you, the system will automatically infer that the new job was FMS sourced. That's where we derive this information. If for some reason you know the job was not FMS based, you can manually go in and change the lead source. Tracked shows the actual percentages on how FMS is working for your business. So any job that's marked with the lead source, FMS, is going to be counted here. Believe me guys, you're going to see some pretty awesome numbers here. Under Company Settings, in Settings, there is an option to turn off or on the automatic FMS tracking. Let me show you where that is, in case this is of interest to you. Let's go back to the Key Performance Indicator. The repeat rate percentage shows you the percentage of your base customers that have used your service more than once over the last 30 months. Customers with less than 6 months are excluded. Tracked results and inferred results are the same numbers from the tracked and inferred tabs above. Average invoice is the average amount of your income from your customer base, and total marketable base is your total customer base of every active client that's booked in the last 2 years. They must have the address information necessary for direct mailing. Now that we've explored the FMS tab, let's go back to the home page. Remember this FMS deck? Well, here's much of the FMS tab information conveniently located on the home page when you open your account. Pretty awesome. There's a couple additions, as you'll notice, like pending orders and the Start Approval Wizard. This is where you'll go to review and approve your FMS orders, but we'll go into this more in another video. There's your brief introduction to the FMS or FillMySchedule tab in ServiceMonster 6. There's so much more to come on this topic, so be sure to stay tuned. And remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.